Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Instagram close friend feature. So first of all you need to open your Instagram app, then tap here right bottom corner of your screen, it's a profile icon, then tap here three line right of corner, scroll down, close friends. So close friend is something that if you use story and other people can't get your story here. We don't send notification when you edit your close friend list. So you can see when you share stories with your Instagram ID. So those type of people only get notification. So first of all, you need to type anything like I can say something. Okay, and tap here done. So if you refresh it, and you will find her there close friend list. So like if you share stories, only this person only get your stories.